In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iridium crystals in one's human. So iridium crystals are these things over here, and you can use them for various things. Now, if you check over here, it says how to get explore level 31 to 40 strongholds. And what this means that if we want to do it, we want to go to the Chalk Peak region. So this is this region over here. What I would actually advise you to do is to explore the Chalk Peak region, and especially those little towns that have rift anchors. So I would suggest this Alpha Institute over here. Then we also have one down here, which is the Green Lake Hill. We have one over here, which is Danger Zone 1. And then we have this one, which is Furnace Lair and stuff like that. Now, make sure you loot those rift anchors. As you can see, if I hold down my control key, you can get iridium crystals for activating these these rift anchors. Now you can get a bunch from that, but you can also get a bunch from different crates. Now you can get them from mystical crates, from weapon crates, armor crates, and stuff like that. So just be sure to walk around the Chalk Peak region and to loot those towns as much as you can. Open all the gear boxes, all the weapon boxes, loot around, activate rift anchors, and you'll get a bunch of these iridium crystals, as you can see over here on my screen. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.